Hey, COVID-19 really stinks. The reason I'm talking about it is you may have taken a vacation last year, but you couldn't. And now you're thinking about, well, where do I put all that money? And you're probably looking at the backyard. In this video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful landscape design that has a pool. But don't worry, if you are not putting in a pool, I got plenty of awesome landscaping tips that are gonna save you time and money. Let's go. My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. This channel is here to help you with landscaping. So whether you are just starting the process with landscaping or design, or you already have that just impeccable yard, I want you to consider subscribing, because with every video, I'm gonna teach you something new that saves you time and saves you money. Now, I wanna get into a bubble diagram, and then after that, we're gonna get right to the desk, and I'm gonna show you how we lay it all out. Let's go. We got a lot going on here. We've got elevated planters, an elevated patio, an outdoor kitchen, a swimming pool, a retaining wall that creates all the space for here, where we've got a bed, we've got a water feature, the pool, lawn, you name it, we've got it. This looks like a mess, but I tell you, we're gonna go right to that desk, clean everything up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in that 3D diagram and give you out all the tips. Let's go.
Pulls up, three-pointer, bang, bang, it's good, wins the game at the buzzer.
Boom shakalaka laka. I feel like Stuart Scott, ESPN. You know who that is. Anyways, Bob. If you've seen my videos, you know I love Bob. He loves me. We love to design and create beautiful, happy accidents. Don't we, Bob? You're my boy. I'm gonna probably give you about 3 or 4 basic tips for this backyard design, because I want to keep it simple and apply to any kind of landscaping project, not just if you have a pool. So number 1 is you've got to figure out how you want to use the space. So in this particular space, they've got a hillside, and if you're going to put a pool in or make the yard bigger, you need to make sure you push that hillside back, and that's usually accomplished with a retaining wall. So we cut back into the hillside, put in a wall, and then we can landscape above the wall and start to free up all of this existing ground, because this isn't a huge backyard, but if you do that, you're gonna have a lot more to play with and a lot more fun when it comes to picking out your bells and whistles. Tip number 2 with any landscape design is you want to pick a theme. What are you going for here? This one, we want to go with a modern look. That is what the client requested, and I love modern, contemporary. It's a cool thing, and especially with a pool, you can do some really cool pavers with that. But we decided that they've got a very simple house, but we want to update it with the landscaping. So we go with the contemporary vibe. If you decide that you want to play off your existing house and you've got that colonial style, or you've got kind of a craftsman or farm style, you might want to go a little bit more rustic, and with the colonial a little bit more formal. The final tip I want to give you is using your existing landscaping. What I mean by that is they already have a poured stamp colored concrete patio, and instead of busting all that up because it's in decent shape, I'm gonna work with it. So we keep that and we play off it so that we can pick pavers that are gonna go along with it. They don't have to be the same look necessarily, but probably the same color theme. So if they've got a grayscale, we go with grays or whites. If they've got more earth tones, we can go with some earth tones. What I want you to see in this is, if you're gonna keep an existing patio, try and jazz it up a bit by maybe elevating the next patio. So if you see here, instead of continuing that patio the whole way, I stepped it up so that it's almost like a separate area with a fire pit. You've got the kitchen right there as a cool little way to create a little bit of interest instead of throw in the kitchen and a corner like most people do. It's almost like a separation between the upper level and the lower level. Pretty cool stuff. Obviously, there's a lot going on with this design. There's a lot of landscaping. There's so many more tips I could give out of this. But in other videos, I definitely touch on stuff like this. So if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing, smash this, hit the like button. Let's let other people find it. That's how the algorithm works in YouTube. And I want to build this community. If you want to learn more about landscaping, see some more designs, go click the links below. I got more videos. You can go watch this one. And remember that a yard without a plan, it's just a wish.